Alright, so today we are... Zoom out? Nope. Alright, so today we are going to be putting the leather backer for the Jackalope and Adventurecraft on the Jackalope here. Now, yeah, there are two separate leather backers, one for an Adventurecraft, one for the Jackalope. Not interchangeable because they're different sizes. We're going to do the Jackalope today. Now, even though I do have an Adventurecraft and I do have a backer for the Adventurecraft, I decided I'm not going to put it on at this time because I like my setup on my Adventurecraft how I have it. So, we shall do the Jackalope. First thing we need to do, take off the this clip right here. And maybe before we take that off, we need to get an appropriately sized screwdriver. Alright, now that we got a bigger screwdriver, flathead that can fit that slot. Well, or not. Is this one too big now? Son of a gun. Alright, took the knife out just to be safe. Pop that off. Let's get this out of here. Of course, always be careful. Try to save these for later. You know, it would help if I screwed this into the right side. It's one of those mornings. One of those mornings. All right. So next up we have the backer. And it comes with all the hardware you need. Actually, I wonder if I can, yeah, I don't even need a screwdriver for that. Alright, and so it just places on like so. The loop going outwards. So just make sure you have it positioned how you want it. I'm going to be positioning this on my right side mostly. So if it's on my right side, the belt goes through. The belt would go through. It says on my right side. Needs to be directed that way. So easy to attach this right back. Just put the screw in. And then on the other side, just put the post in. So you post in, screw in. Might have to kind of pinch and hold it down a little bit as you get it. This hand is not the most dexterous right now. Hopefully that'll change soon. Yep, got that lined up. And just screw it down. You can use two screwdrivers, one to hold and one to turn if you need to. I suggest probably tighten it up that way. Maybe get it started this way and then get it tightened up that way. All right, finally got it. The second one was a little trickier because once this one was tightened down, it kind of restricted the play of the leather to get into this one, but I got it eventually. Alright, second part is we got a paracord and this little mini ferro rod here. Yes, these actually do work. They're not going to be your primary ferro rod source, but they'll work enough. And we need to get this threaded through. So I think I'm going to burn the ends. Come on. Of course, when melting the ends there, they do kind of also run the risk of like what happened on this one of kind of globbing up a little bit. So then it's almost counterproductive. Okay, now that I got that through, just line those up, pull that to the end. Looks like we got a little twist. Let's just untwist. There we go. And how they have it set up is this cordage and ferro rod are kind of the other side of your backer here. And there you go. You just pull it through. And then tie this side off however you want. Just going to do just a couple, I don't know, maybe some overhand knots or something. And you can put a bead on there. You can, I don't know, you lash this down to something if you want. All sorts of fun stuff. I'm probably just gonna leave it just like that, maybe. Pretty easy to put these on. And if in case you're wondering about, yeah, these little ferro rods, if they actually work or not. And once you get the coating off, see, they're not. There you go. See, they produce sparks once you get that coating off. So not too bad. Pretty easy to put on. Stitch Gear Outfitter belt, my usual belt now. Pretty thick and heavy duty. And yeah, see, fits just fine. So there you go. You can wear this, you know, on your right side, or perhaps even on your other side. Cross draw it maybe. It's not set up for an angled cross draw. It's just a bunch of mess here at the end. So yeah, it works pretty good. Reliance Leatherworks, if I didn't say so already. It doesn't affect the retention at all, which, I mean, why would it? Well, I mean, I guess it technically kind of would, because there are screws up here towards the top, but I mean, doesn't affect it at all. In this case, one thing for Reliance Leatherworks there is maybe consider doing an option where these are snaps, perhaps. Or maybe a little strap patch that you could put on the front, maybe. I'm not sure quite how that would work, but hey, it's an option. So this is a cool little deal to add to your adventure crafts and jackalopes. So check them all out. Reliance Leatherworks, exodusknifeandtool, and have a good day. Get outside, enjoy life, do a science, all that stuff. Check out all these videos floating around here for other great content. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification, comment, check out the links below. It all helps the channel and the family. Every little bit.